This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 73 F250, just going along about 60. See the lens are a little yellow. This truck was my neighbor's truck. He was an old bachelor. So back when I was in high school, back in the 80s, probably in the late 70s, he had this. So I don't know if he bought it new, but he had it for a long time, and then somebody here in the white area bought it to kind of just keep it preserved around here, and he needed to sell some stuff, so we bought it from him. So a pretty cool story on it. It's a couple owner, right, local around here, and been sitting a while. If you look at the picture, I don't remember when it last plated, but been sitting for quite some time. We're running some premium through it, and like I said, it goes down the road just fine. Pretty solid old truck and not a lot of money, so if you're looking for a cheaper F250 or classic truck, this fits the bill, and kind of good solid old pickup, isn't real rusty, and runs and drives good. So if you got any questions, 605-695-7391.